Today we're going to get the bed loose and take it off the truck so that way I can gain access to the fuel system and clean underneath this thing because of how filthy this thing was to begin with. So in order to get the bed off, we'll have to take the filler neck loose, but not out, and we have 8 bed bolts along each side of the bed. We have 2 up here in the front area and 2 back here in the rear area. And then it should just be removing the wiring and taking this out. Alright, I'm going to start by removing the wire. Well, as hard as that came out, surprisingly enough, it ain't stripped. Oh, why can't they all come out that easy? Okay, I opened up the front door of the shop, so you're going to get a lot more road noise, but I needed it for the light. Now we're going to remove part of the filler neck. see now, the bed is loose. On both sides. So it should just lift out of here now. So now, I just need to get somebody out here to help me lift this bed off. Alright, so what you didn't see was I had a friend come over and help me get the bed off. I forgot to film that, so sorry. But it was literally just two people lifting up a bed and walking it outside. It's the start of a new day. As you can see, the bed is off, and it is absolutely filthy under here. And if I would have ever made a pass down a drag strip without cleaning this up, I'd have been thrown out of the track instantly. So let me get you some close-up shots of all the things with all the filth so you can see it. Here's top of the fuel tank. As you can see, just all the dirt and filth on there. You can see all the grease and oil that's come off the rear end. That's why it's dark in color like that. And you can just see right here all the filth that's on this thing. Since I got you here, here and here are the front two bolts for the bed, and here are the rear two, and it's the same on the other side. There are your rear two, and there are your front two. You can see the old exhaust hanger there. You can see the evap canister, rear shocks, leaf springs, everything's exposed now. Okay, and here we have the bed leaning up here. You can see all the dirt and goo and everything gone with it. Here is a front mounting hole. I'm sorry, a rear mounting hole. There's the furthest one back. And the two upper ones are there and there. There's the filler neck. All that. You can see where I've started to cut this lip and stop there. But I started to cut it so I can roll this all over, make it smooth so it won't cut any big tires. Okay, I think I'm going to call this episode here. Got the bed off, now I need to clean it. So next episode you'll see me cleaning everything and probably cutting the lip on the bed and hammering it over to make it smooth to where it won't cut no tires. So until next time, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll catch you later.